So Lewis was a botanist and a sort of a naturalist. He got a lot of training in Philadelphia on all sorts of plants. So as he came across a lot of plants, he already knew what these were and how they could be used. So he's sort of an herbalist, I guess. The Native Americans, of course, used a lot more plants than what he knew about, and so he's going to learn a lot from them too. And just on this little hike we're taking through these slot canyons. And Lewis came through here in late May 30th. This is a yarrow plant, and the Indians would have, well, what Lewis used this for, if you see the leaves here, they would have ground up the leaves into sort of a paste if somebody got cut really bad, because it's got healing properties, and so it would help you heal. This thing, the flower on the top of it, raises your, if you eat these, it raises your body temperature. And so if somebody had a flu, if somebody had a fever and they were trying to break that fever, he would give them these to eat. What else do we have? These are currants. You could eat these. The Indians ate these. Bears love them. Lewis and Clark ate these every time. You know, the men ate these when they'd find them on the road. Yeah, you want that, Ethan? Sorry, it's mine. You can have these ones. And these right here, up ahead, these are choke cherries. And choke cherries, Lewis would use the bark, actually. He would slice up the bark and mix it into a, if somebody had a cold or something, with some water, and they would drink it. The Indians made all sorts of, they're not ripe right now, but when they're red and they're ripe, they would use them to, they would cook, they would eat them. They would, they're called choke cherries because when you eat them, you want to choke because they're so bitter. But they would mix them in a paste, make cakes out of them, and so forth. So there's a few plants in the environment here. All right.